The response for kedụ is not always odema. And by the way, odema is not I am fine. Odema is it's fine, because kedụ is a shortened form for two expressions which can be kedụ ka ịdị and kedụ ka ọ dị. Kedụ ka ọ dị is like asking how is everything, how are things, like what's up. And for that you can say odema, meaning it's fine. Then kedụ ka ịdị or kedụ ka ị mere is how are you or how are you doing. Ịdị, how are you? Ị mere, how do you do? How are you doing? And for that, the answer is not even odema. The answer is not odema. The answer is adim ma. Adim is I am, then ma is fine. But like English, you know, Igbo has such dynamics where you can say, oh, I'm great, and you can say, I'm fine, and you can say, I'm not fine, you know. So what is the expression? What are other options you have when someone says odema to you? Because I think people who are learning Igbo language feel obligated to say I'm fine whenever someone says kedụ to them. So you've only learned kedụ, and then you've learned odema, or you've learned ademoma as a response to kedụ. But you have the option, the luxury of being other things than ma with Igbo. You can be ezigbo ma. Ezigbo ma. And ezigbo ma is superb, like great. Kedụ ka ịdị? Adim ezigbo ma. I'm superb, I'm great, you know. I'm not just fine, I'm great, I'm superb. Adim ezigbo ma. Ezigbo is good in a sense, but great. It has the quality of great to ma. Adim ezigbo ma, perfectly fine. I'm perfectly fine. So we can think of ezigbo as perfect in this sense, and then think of ma as fine. So I'm perfectly fine, I'm superb. So you can't always say adim ezigbo ma when someone asks you kedụ. Another thing you can also say when someone says kedụ to you is ademoma. We all know this, and this is the one we've learned, most of us, ademoma. Although some people still go with odema, but ademoma, I am fine, I'm doing good, I'm okay, you know. And it doesn't mean you are not great, you know. It just means you're not in the mood for, like, it may not be a situation to start expressing I'm great. It's not every time someone says how are you, you say I'm great, you know. It may not be the context. It may be a formal situation where you just have to say ademoma, you know, and all of that. It may be something that, you know, really is just for greeting's sake. It's not like I'm trying to say you are not less superb than when you say adem ezigbo ma, depending on the context. But it also means I'm just fine. Like, I'm not great, I'm not, you know, I'm just fine. So what if you're not fine, you're not great, you're not superb, and you're just there, you know, like so how are you going to answer that in Igbo? Anom ya. Anom ya. Anom ya. Anom is I am. Then ya is there, like there. I'm there. You know, anom ya. I'm there. I'm just there. I'm hanging in, you know, I'm just there. So that is how you answer. You're not great, you're not fine, you're just there, indifferent. You can just say anom ya. Anom ya. Anom ya. Sometimes you say it with this face. Anom ya. What is it? What do you want? You know, so that kind of kedụ. Anom ya nwannem. Anom ya. I'm there, my sister or my brother. I'm there. Nwannem is brother, nwannem is sister. Anom ya nwannem. Anom ya. So that is how you answer for so, you know, not excited, not good, but still not bad. What if when I'm not good, I'm not okay? How do you answer for that in Igbo? Well, you would want to be tempted to say adem ma. Since ademoma is I'm good, I'm okay, so ademoma should be I'm not good, I'm not okay. But no, we don't go with the negatives in Igbo. As much as possible, we try to not be negative. So instead of saying I'm not fine, we can say amam. Someone say how are you? You say amam. You know, like amam, I don't know how I am. How can you not know how you are? You should know how you are. But if someone is telling you in Igbo that they don't know how they are, they're trying to tell you I'm not good. I'm not good. I don't even recognize or identify this state. You know, I'm trying to pretend this is not my zone, this zone of not being good. Like, I don't know what this place is. I don't know where this place I am emotionally. I don't know what it's called. I don't know what is happening. I don't know where I am, you know. So I'm not fine. I'm not fine. I'm not fine. I'm not okay. You know, I don't know. And what if maybe there's a tragedy and you don't want to be indirect, this time you want to just hit it on the head? Well, you still have to use some poetic language, one of which is Ikagulam. Like, I'm fed up, I'm tired, I'm out of my wits, I'm out of strength, you know, like I'm broken, I'm not fine. Then if there's a trouble, there's a situation, there's a crisis, you can say Nsobudi. And that means there is trouble, there is crisis. So Nsobudi is how you communicate it. But I just wanted to show you is stop saying Odema all the time. Odema is not even I am fine. Odema is like, what's up? It's fine. Things are fine, you know? And that is Odema. You want to say I am fine, then you want to use Adim Ma. And if you want to say I'm excited, because you have the luxury to say that in Igbo language, you can say Adim Ezigbo Ma. And if you wanted to say I'm not fine, remember, go soft on the negative. We don't communicate, you know, that we are not blunt with so you have to use something soft, something, you know, not so direct. I don't know. So someone say, how are you doing? Kedụ? I don't know. And when someone tells you how are you doing, and the person says the person is trying to signal you that there is a trouble. I don't even know how I'm doing. Like, I can't even see myself, you know. So these are the ways you can answer Kedụ. Stop saying Odema. Odema is not even I'm fine. Odema is it's fine, you know. I guess you can also tell somebody Ademoma. If the person is your father or your mother, someone you are emotional with, somebody you can be vulnerable with in the privacy of you and the person, and you can just, you know, this is somebody that is your person, like you and them are one, so you can be vulnerable with them, like your bestie, your boyfriend, husband, wife, daughter, mother, and all of that. So you can go with them, Ademoma, and you can tell them what is wrong with you. Ademoma. Now, mentioning Ademoma also leads me to Igbo contractions. We have Ademma, and the longer way of saying this is Adegem for the negative, and Adeyem. I'm going to teach you contractions later. This is the second time I'm mentioning contractions. I'm going to do a video to teach you contractions, but that will be much later. Talking about teaching you stuff and teaching you things, I would like to have a situation where I'm getting a live class where we can be together. I'm not just talking of live streams. I'm going to do live streams later. I know what they are and I have plans for them. But I'm talking about where we can have one class every 2 weeks on Microsoft Teams. Just you, me, and a bunch of us learning Igbo. Everybody who is subscribed to my channel, everybody who is in membership, everybody who watches, even if you're not subscribed, you know, if you want to have that, you can just leave a comment and let me know you're interested, so I can make a schedule and then I can announce it to you guys. But if not, that is fine. Then also, you already know my one-on-one. Someone asks, how do we take the one-on-one? Well, it's paid for, and you can send me an email to ibomedizi@gmail.com, and with the one-on-one you get access to other materials that I have on a Quizlet that I make available to you in membership. Those in membership have full access to all my materials in Quizlet. So you can join membership and you can still have access to these. You don't have to be a one-on-one. Like I always tell, not everybody needs a one-on-one. But if you know you need a one-on-one, then you just go ahead and get a one-on-one. And yes, you can be wondering about schedule. Schedule is not a problem. We can talk about all of your concerns when you send me an email to ibomedizi@gmail.com. Until next time, my name is Prince Obi. Dalo, Jisike.